Here's where you can go to change the display size and the text size on a Pixel phone with Android 14. To change these settings, use the quick access and pull it down 2 times until you see the settings icon right there. Once you are here now, you'll go down until you reach the display section. As you're in the display section, you're going to see all these options and just go until you see display and text size. When you're here now, you can get a preview of everything of what's going on here. And you got the font size, which when you increase the size of it, this is going to increase your overall font size for everything on your phone, not just the icons, okay? And you can always come back here now and adjust the display size if you want to make everything bigger, and you can see how these get smaller whereas they get bigger here, all right? Then you also got the bold text if you want your text to stand out some more, and the high contrast, which will only really look better depending on the wallpaper and the background you have. And you can reset your settings or come back and change these at any given time, like and said.